Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can customize a fitness focus on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Focus. Then tap on the Add button at the top. Next, tap on Fitness. Then in here, tap on Customize Focus. Now at the top here, the Allow Notifications section, you can choose to allow all apps to send you notifications during this focus mode. So tap on People. And at the top here, you can choose whether to silence notifications from or to select Allow notifications from. So tap on Add People and then go down the list here and choose who you want to allow or deny them sending you notifications. So at the moment I want to allow them to send me notifications, so I'm going to choose Allow Notifications from this contacts here. And then go down to the phone calls section and tap on Allow Calls From. From the list here, you could choose allow calls from everybody during this focus mode, or only allow people only, or favorites, or contacts only. So select one from the list. Next, we go down and we choose allow repeated calls. Tap on this toggle button to turn off or switch on allow repeated calls. A second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. Alright, tap on the back key at the top to go back to the fitness focus. And next, tap on Options. In the Options screen, in here you can customize how your notifications display on the lock screen. So in here you can choose to show or hide silence notifications on the lock screen. So tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off notifications on the lock screen. Here you can also show or hide the notification badges. Next is the silence notifications. Tap on that, you can choose between always or while locked. So here's the incoming calls and notifications will be silenced while iPhone is locked or unlocked. And finally, you can choose to dim the lock screen for the fitness focus. So when this is turned on and when focus is switched on, then the lock screen will not have any background wallpaper. So if you switch this one on, then on the lock screen here, it will not have any background wallpaper. Instead, it will display only a black background. So that is the last option there, dim lock screen. Okay, next we move on to the customize screens. In here you can customize your lock screen and your home screen during the fitness focus. So tap on Choose and choose which screen to best describe your mood for this focus. So here we can choose to create a new screen, or you can use one from the existing lock screen that you have previously created. So let's create a new lock screen. Then in here you can choose your clock style. You can choose the top widget. You can choose what to display during this focus mode. And then you can add in widgets. So battery, you can add in battery status. You can add in other things as well. So you can add in shortcuts. Shortcuts you can add in. And so go down the list here and choose what you want to display. So here we've got the fitness activity widget. So choose what you which widget to display in here. And that's it. Then tap on Add. Then from here you can choose Set as Wallpaper Pair or customize the home screen. I'm going to select Set as Wallpaper Pair. I'll give it a few moments for that to get updated. Okay, next you can tap on the Choose button for the home screen. In here you can choose which home screen style that you would like to use. So you can use this one here, or you can go back and choose another one. So there are different style that you could select. So select one that you like and then tap on Done. And then down here is the schedule. So if you want to use schedule to turn on or turn off fitness focus automatically, you can go in here. So here fitness will be activated automatically when you start a workout. So if you start a workout on your device or on your Apple Watch, then fitness focus can automatically switch on. You can also tap on add schedule, and in here the schedule can be based on time, location, or app. So let's say if you are going to your local gym, when you get there, the fitness focus automatically switch on, and when you leave the gym it will automatically switch off. Or if you exercise every day, say at 12, between 12 and 2 o'clock, you can select time and you can set the time from which time to which time, and that's it, and that will get your fitness focus automatically switch on. And that is schedule. And lastly is the filters. So you can tap on add filters. Now here's a focus filters help you remove distractions from apps when the focus is on. So tap on add filter, and in here you can choose the type of filters to use. There are not many. You've got calendar, mail, music, Safari, messages, and Grammarly. Down here in the system filters section, you got the always on display, dark mode, low power mode, and silent mode. So for example, if I choose the low power mode filter, I will switch it on and then tap on add. So when fitness focus is activated, my phone will automatically turn on low power mode. And you can add in other filters as well. And that's it. And that is the whole customization of the fitness focus. And then tap on back key. Now to turn on the fitness focus, all you have to do is swipe down at the top to open up the control center. In here, tap on the focus button, and then in here you can select do not disturb, personal, work, depending on what kind of focus you have added. It may or may not be display everything in here. So here we've got fitness, so you can tap on that to turn off fitness, or you can tap on it to switch it on. And that's it. You can see when fitness mode is activated, my battery show a yellow icon. That means it is now in low power mode. And if I turn off fitness focus, then my battery go back to a normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.